You are watching Cable 99, JROIDNET Community Access Channel. Welcome to the party, pals. I am JROID. We're gonna fix this old M-Audio MIDI keyboard. First and foremost, we gotta disassemble it. The issue that I've been having with this keyboard is the USB port. It disconnects, connects repeatedly. So we're gonna have to go ahead and remove the old USB port, desolder 6 connections using some flux and some desoldering wick. What if I seen it and there was still time? Would I believe it? Have the courage to try? Off of my shoulder remind me of the color of your hair that night. November rain can be so cold. December snow had eyes like yours. And I wanna wear alright tonight. Did you find your way back home? Alright, but it couldn't be. No better life I couldn't see, maybe. Dreams are where we'll make believe. Mission accomplished. Let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it works. full functionality, and I'm back in business with Syntronik. However, courtesy of a viewer slash commenter, thank you very much for bringing this to my attention, my friend. IK Multimedia has discontinued Syntronik. What the H is going on with that? So is there even any point in me continuing the Syntronik series? Why would IK Multimedia discontinue a fantastic product like Syntronik? Maybe they're going to combine Sampletron, which they also discontinued, one of my favorite products, with Syntronik and make SampleX kind of like ToneX or SynthX. I don't know what they're doing. If anybody's got any information, let me know. Are you still using Syntronik even though it's discontinued, or have you moved on to another product? But all in all, I think that is enough for me for now. Once again, I've been Droid. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out my channel for more videos like this. Guitar, drum, synth, music videos. If you could be so kind, please check out my music on Spotify, Apple, YouTube, etc. under Droid, JROID, Linktree/Droid. Links are in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you taking the time to do so. And as always, stay safe, take care.